In this video, I will show you how to access Outlook on the web. To begin, open any browser on your system and type Outlook into the search box, then press Enter. At the top of the search results, you will see the official link from Microsoft titled Microsoft Outlook. Click on this link and you'll be directed to a page like this on the screen. If you already have an Outlook account, simply click on the Sign In option. If not, click on Create Free Account to start the process. You will need to choose a new email address, click Next, and then create a password. If you already have an account, click Sign In and proceed by entering your email address. Afterward, click Next and enter your password. Then click Sign In. If you prefer to stay signed in and not enter your credentials every time you access Outlook, click Yes when prompted. From there, you will be able to access and use Microsoft Outlook directly from your web browser.